Ginger has been consumed for many generations due to its wonderful natural health promoting abilities. It can be consumed raw, added to teas or your favorite smoothies, or even added to other recipes to enhance their overall taste. This makes ginger very versatile and easy to add to practically any diet. Also, ginger contains many healthy nutrients and other unique and potent compounds that can help to promote our overall health. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming ginger regularly. First, ginger contains many different vitamins, minerals, and other important compounds that can help to promote the overall health of our bodies. Just a 1 to 2 ounce serving can provide many different vitamins, minerals, and other healthy compounds. Specifically, ginger is a great source of nutrients such as potassium, manganese, magnesium, copper, vitamin B6, and vitamin C to name a few. Also, it contains good levels of dietary fiber and many antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties while being quite low in calories. Consuming ginger regularly can also help to improve brain function and reduce the risks associated with neurodegenerative conditions, such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. This is often attributed to ginger's ability to help reduce both chronic inflammation in the body and brain, as well as oxidative stress. Also, due to its many potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it can help to promote the health and functioning of the brain. Some studies even suggest that ginger can help to promote the health of our brain as we get older, as well as prevent cognitive decline. Ginger can also have benefits for the health of our heart and support a healthy cardiovascular system. In fact, one of the most beneficial benefits of consuming ginger regularly is its ability to naturally lower cholesterol levels while also reducing heart disease. Studies have shown that ginger can significantly reduce bad LDL cholesterol, while also increasing good HDL cholesterol in the body. The potent antioxidant compounds in ginger can also help to eliminate damaging free radicals that can compromise our cardiovascular system. Another great benefit of ginger is that it can help to fight certain fungal infections. This is because ginger contains powerful antifungal properties that can work to naturally and effectively eliminate fungus that causes disease. This can have tremendous benefits for those who suffer from fungal infections, such as athlete's foot and other fungal infections. It may even be able to help reduce certain infections found in the mouth. Another great benefit of consuming ginger is its ability to help treat nausea. For generations, ginger and ginger tea have been used as a natural remedy for treating nausea and morning sickness. It can help to reduce the symptoms of nausea naturally, while also improving digestion overall. Some have even used ginger to naturally remedy seasickness due to its calming effect on the stomach and gut. Also, ginger can help to promote proper digestion and support digestive health, while also reducing symptoms of stomach pain, discomfort, and heartburn. Lastly, consuming ginger regularly can help to reduce inflammation throughout the entire body, including chronic inflammation. This is important since this inflammation over time can increase the chances of developing unwanted health conditions, such as obesity and heart disease. It contains an important compound known as gingerol, along with other potent anti-inflammatory compounds that can help to treat inflammation naturally and effectively. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.